morning everyone. Today is September 28, 2024. Ayan. May aloe vera hub flower. Ayan, may aloe vera. This is a flower of my aloe vera. There is another one here. Aloe vera flowers. Sabi nila, laki daw yan. Laki daw ang aloe vera kapag bumulaklak na. Ayan, this is my aloe vera. Ang dumi na. Hindi na lilinisan. Ang aking